Discord and Streamlabs have collab and are giving away free Nitro. I will tell you how to claim it, but before that, I run a server called Pixie. It has all the high-quality server decors and layouts you need. We even have different channels like banners, dividers, and so on. The server is highly advanced with all the new techniques and technologies and advanced verification system to keep our members safe. We also do Discord Nitro giveaways. My servers currently has over 12,000 members and they increase every day. If you want to join my server, go to any of my videos description, there you will find the invite link. You can join us to make friends, mental health, and for decors and layouts, or just come check us out. And oh, we also have an Instagram page called Pixie_YT, so make sure to follow it to get Nitro related updates. You can also enjoy all the artworks. I will link this article in my video's description. Go there and click Streamlabs. Now you need to sign up. Create a new account if you don't have one, or just log in and accept their policies. Now, on the top left-hand side, click Dashboard and scroll down. You will find free Discord Nitro at bottom right-hand side. Click Claim Discord Nitro. I got the free Nitro link, but since I don't use Discord Nitro, I will copy this link and share it in my Discord server. If you want the free Discord Nitro, come join my server. I would like to make one thing clear, that you need payment method. If you like the video, hit like and subscribe button.